Hi, I'm Neha and I'm the head of marketing for Spotify. So the vision at Spotify is to make sure that the app is a go-to destination for everything audio, be it music or be it podcast. We were looking for a partner that helps us penetrate well into the market but also keeps the consumer engaged across the content genres that we have. While building the campaigns, we actually look at 3 dimensions that a platform can offer: the width, the depth and the time. By width, I mean that it gives me a wide net to sort of fulfill the top of the funnel. With the base that Disney Plus Hotstar has, that's not a problem at all. It also helps us build depth because there is a lot of content that is available on Disney Plus Hotstar that kind of matches with the genres that we have on Spotify. That helps us sort of ensure that the cohorts that we build of the audience is absolutely well targeted for all our campaigns. And the third one being the dimension of time. It helps us make sure that we are always on with the users and build the habit of coming back to the app to consume more and more of the content. So at Spotify, we are looking at moving the needle on 2 fronts. The first one being awareness and consideration for the brand, and the second one is hard numbers on acquisition and consumption. We use Disney Plus Hotstar for a very wide range of campaigns. In-funnel campaigns which are meant to upgrade the consumer from a free tier to a premium tier, as well as for driving specific kind of content on podcast or music. So we're looking for 4 levers for all our campaigns. The first one being the scale. The second is very sharp targeting for some of the campaigns. The third is everything that we do needs to be measured. And the fourth one is we are always looking for some kind of innovation. And Disney Plus Hotstar kind of enables us to do this for all our campaigns. Talking of scale, last 1 year has been very different. There have been a lot of big movie releases that have happened on OTT. This has really changed the way the marketers have looked at OTT, while we are talking to a very wide range of audience. It's actually been a blessing to, sort of talk to this very, very wide net of audience. Secondly, there's certain programs like Dance Plus, which have worked extremely well for us. I think people who love music and dance, it's a no-brainer to sort of talk to them on Disney Plus Hotstar. And talking of scale and engagement, both, I think one has to mention IPL. It is absolutely a no-brainer that anybody who's looking for, scale and that level of engagement, you have to be present on IPL, and that's exactly what we did. Disney Plus Hotstar gives us that flexibility to build a cohort, which is sort of very suited for our campaigns. To give you an example, we very recently launched a filmy campaign, and where better to find a very well-designed, cohort for Bollywood buffs or movie lovers. Another great example is when we did a campaign for Spotify Premium. Disney Plus Hotstar helped us design a cohort of audience, that are logging in from multiple devices, and this totally meant that, these are family people. So using this cohort, we were able to, target our communication, which is meant for Spotify Family Premium account. We also partnered with their influencers, and this helped us really sort of build very engaging content on the app and helped us drive much, much better conversions. One of the industry firsts that we did at Disney Plus Hotstar is actually placement of the Spotify playlist native and in-app on the movie tab. So this really helped us kind of make sure that all the organic traffic is sort of coming to the Spotify app seamlessly. So for some of our recent campaigns, we've seen that via the Brand Lift study that awareness went up by about 7% and the purchase intent was almost up by 9%, and that would make any marketer very happy. So we've all seen how the OTT market has exploded in the past few years, right? In fact, I read in one of the BCG reports that by 2023, the size of the OTT market will be $5 billion. And we see the right reasons, behind this growth. We have a handset in every Indian's hand. We know that data is completely democratized. We also now see that this demand or this funnel is being very well fueled and oiled from the supply side. So there are many OTT players that are making sure that everyone has enough to fuel this funnel, right? So, from the consumer side, we see that where this consumption was about 20 minutes a few years back, now this consumption has grown to an average of 50 minutes to an hour. We also know that back in 2012, there were only 2 OTT players, and now, there are about more than 40 OTT players in the market. So, obviously, it's a very well-oiled ecosystem that's working now between the consumer and the supply side. So I think, gone are the days when TV, social media and outdoor were, the bigger components of a media mix. It's almost critical that everybody has OTT as part of their media mix going forward. And I think the reasons are very clear and simple. It definitely provides us, the impact with scale that any marketer would want. And, with programs like Cricket or Dance Plus, or be it now Bollywood releases that are happening on OTT channel, this impact with scale is an absolute no-brainer. I think what also it helps us get is a far more engaged audience. They are coming with an intent on OTT, and this really helps us make sure that we get the user's attention a little bit better than how he would have reacted to any other mode of communication. And of course, for any marketer, measurability is critical. The OTT players do offer a lot of tools to make sure that you are not only achieving what you have set out to achieve, but also in a very measurable fashion. So the digital videos were anyways on a rise, right? And what the pandemic or 2020 has done is really changed the trajectory of this growth path, right? We see that kink in the growth path for digital videos, and I think it's fueled by both the consumer habits that have changed because of the pandemic and people being at home, but also a big contributor of the increased consumption is the way the OTT players have fueled or have managed to fulfill this demand. There is really something for everyone on the platform, right? Be a 70-year-old man or be it an 11-year-old kid, there is something available for everyone, right? So this is really here to stay and grow much further.
What's your marketing mantra?
I think it's always to be authentic.
Leadership wisdom for younger generation.
To listen mindfully, welcome feedback and accept support.
Favorite show on Disney Plus Hotstar?
I've just started watching this period drama called Mrs. America. It's fabulous.
The most challenging part of your job?
To keep pace with the ever evolving consumer.
What comes to mind when we say these words? OTT.
Future of entertainment.
IPL.
The biggest festival in India.
Digital video.
Exponential growth.
Programmatic.
Every marketer's tool.
Branding.
Every interaction with the consumer.
Cricket.
Obsession.
Disney Plus Hotstar.
Household entertainment.